Van does his job with his heart. My father knows that Van cares about him and about doing things the right way and the best way for my dad. Initially, my dad was extremely hesitant to have anyone come into the home. And once he met Van, he changed his mind totally and was actually happy that Van was coming and looked forward to his visits.
When I got my stroke a little while ago, he noticed it and he didn't leave until I went to the hospital.
Saturday morning and Van was here, but Van certainly immediately recognized that this was happening.
I didn't even know.
No, my dad wasn't aware of anything. Van recognized it, made sure that the EMS was called. We were all called, and he stayed right with my dad by his side until EMS got here, and we got here until further help came.
You know, more like a friend, because it makes me feel a lot safer and a lot better.
For Philip and Marcia, thank you so much for recognition. I was so happy. That is very most meaningful to me as a PSW. It helps me to strengthen my conviction to be a dedicated PSW and resource for PSW.